Hi, today we're going to talk about disabling agent preview like on a global scale or for the whole system. Agent preview allows the agent to view listings before they automatically go out to the collaboration center, but a lot of agents don't like that because they just want the listings to go out to their client automatically. So today I'm going to show you how to turn that off. To do this, if we go to Preferences here at the top of Paragon, and in this menu that comes down, you'll see the option for Collab Center. I'm going to click on that. You'll see a menu or a list appear on the left-hand side. Here, we want to go all the way down to the search options. Here we'll see something that doesn't really describe what it is, but this is where the agent preview setting for the whole system appears. So if we change this to disable and hit save, now this will disable it for the whole system.